Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Friends, here you will get beautiful and modern interior design ideas. So please subscribe to my channel, like and share it. Thank you for watching. Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Today in this video we are watching the modern fall ceiling design with price because roof is important part of any building. It helps to maintain the structure of unit while providing shelter and protection. Although the purpose of your roof is mainly functional, some homeowners added beautiful designs to the roof to make the house look aesthetically pleasing. The part of the ceiling hung below the traditional roof is called to fall ceilings. There are various pros and cons of having fall ceilings, and we will discuss both of them to help you decide if you want to have fall ceiling in your house or not. Fall ceiling is extension of the main roof. It comes in various designs which can become attractive features in your house. The main purpose of having fall ceilings is hide away any dangling wires or pipes sticking out from the roof that can become eyesore. Along with the many advantages of having fall ceiling, there are some disadvantages as well. There are various points that can convince you to install fall ceiling at home. Some props having fall ceilings aesthetically pleasing, hides away electrical conduits, keep the room cool, soundproof ceilings, reduce ceiling height, cuts down on energy bills. There are various designs to fall ceilings. You, you can have two ceilings like bar or into form of a grid of your then creative, then wavy designs and fall ceilings, plenty of shows. There are various designs to a fall ceiling. You can have two ceilings, shapes like a bar or in the form of grid, or if you are creative, then wavy design of fall ceiling with plenty of show lights and looks great. However, want to make their dream home look nothing but the best. One of the major props of having fall ceilings is that added up to the home decor, giving its modern and sophisticated outlook. Which building house there are many electrical wires, pipes and ducts running through the walls and ceilings. Fall ceilings help to hide away any wires, cables and ducts hanging from the roof. Through a beautifully designed fall ceiling, you can let those wires and cables completely hidden under the fall ceiling facades. This is needed major advantages of having fall ceilings. Another reason of having fall ceilings designs for your roof is that is additionally layer of ceiling beneath of traditional roof. This keeps the roof cool and sweating some months. The traditional roof heat of the van, the sun rays fall direction on the roof during summer months, but the fall ceiling remains cool, keeping the temperature in check. The fall ceiling is also control acoustic of room. It's added sound barriers and makes the room soundproof. So if you are a big family having naughty kids who make lots of noise, having fall ceiling might be good option to consider. The traditional ceiling in the form of a fall ceiling block out of the noise to keep environment quite soundproof. If you have a high ceiling false ceiling, will lower the ceiling height. Overall, the room became quiet and compact. When you install trendy and looking false ceiling in the house to give cozy and compact look to your house, and false ceiling features to your unit. Moreover, it is pretty and easy to many any repairs of false ceilings, any renovation and traditional ceiling take quite a lot of time and hassle spares. False ceilings can be repaired by removing the damaged area and matching it of the specific tiles. False ceilings can lower temperature. These stones help to reducing energy bills. You don't need to switch on the AC during summers to turn on the heaters during the winter season. The added layer of false ceilings on the roofs is enough to control temperature inside the house. Just like there are many pros of having false ceilings, there are few downsides to it as well. For your convenience, you have to share the disadvantages having a false ceiling to help you make better decision. Limits space in the room, need maintenance, not as durable and traditional ceilings, risk of futures of falling off. While the props of having false ceilings are that gives cozy and compact feeling, the disadvantages of false ceilings are that reduce the ceiling height, those limited the space within the room. If your ceilings is already quite low, then adding extension of the roof not recommended. It will drain the house decor giving sophisticated feel the room. Make sure you only install the false ceiling features when there is enough room to have one. Having a false ceiling required and constant maintenance there are parts of the cannot fall or get damaged easily. This means you will have to keep making upgrade to it. Repairing of electrical wires and pipes hidden behind the false ceilings get difficult. Moreover, dusting and sealing the intricate designs of your false ceiling is also a bit of hassle. Only if you have whiling on taking the extra cleaning task. Go for false ceiling ideas to your house. The first thing people usually notice when they enter in the building or room. As a result, the ceiling is important element of the room interior design and define it is aesthetic. Since ceiling has large surface area, it plays an important role in the thermal comfort of your room. So today we will talking about the false ceiling design. False ceiling turns your ordinary room into extraordinary room. It gives your room interior elegant finish. The best thing is thermal installation features. It makes your home cooler and thermal installation properties and reduce excessive heat. Another the best thing is help to unclutter our home by consoling electrical wires and services. It is reduce visual electrical wire clutter and help to cut our electricity bills by reducing air conditioning loads. It's reduce unpleasant sounds that may both of your gives the aesthetic comfort in your house. It gives better and planned lighting options in your room. Whatever you want to, dim your lights and bright up your room. Light can be controlled by us. While false ceilings are usually, there are quite few challenges to overcome while installing them. The shape of building, especially if there is an irregular beam bottom, may not be conducive. False ceiling. If there is a leakage in the building, it may be also affect the false ceilings. False ceilings take a lot of time, dry and can cause delay in the project. Installation of false ceiling requires experts and you take some precautions. If not executed properly, the surface can be uneven, and after painting and finishing may not be up to the mark, and many will be added to project